Hi, this is Jeffrey, and in this video, we're going to take a look at the railway exhibit at the Brussels World's Fair of 1958, also known as Expo 58. Now, this was quite a large fair. It was on a site of about 490 acres, and it lasted from April 17th to October 19th of 1958. Many different countries were represented there. They had many different exhibits from all over the world. The United States had a very large pavilion there. It was also known for the atomium, which was a large structure that was supposedly built to represent the cell of an atom. I'm not going to get into too much of the history of the fair or exactly what was there. That could be a subject of another video. But I wanted to show the rolling stock that appeared at this fair because it probably was larger than any other railway show at any World's Fair ever. So I once came across a set of photographs from this fair, and so that's what I'm showing or will show here. And we will also start with a statement that was written to describe the fair as we look at the photographs. So let's take a look at the railway exhibit at the Brussels World's Fair of 1958. At the back of the transport pavilion and stretching along its entire length, you could admire the joint display of railway equipment, the first achievement of the participation of railway administrations and manufacturers on an international scale. The honorary president of the committee of this park was Mr. Louis Armand, president of the International Union of Railways, and the honorary vice president was Mr. Marcel de Vos. A bundle of 8 railway tracks stretched over a length of about 200 meters. The first 7 tracks were equipped with state-of-the-art rolling stock. Step inside these electric and diesel locomotives, admire the comfort of these cars for the transport of passengers by day and by night, and notice the standardization towards which the construction of goods wagons was increasingly tending. Separated from the others by an area of evolution, the 8th track received the goods wagons reserved for the service of door-to-door or for the mixed-use railroad. A demonstration was given of the very rapid way in which transport work was carried out. A covered stand set up by the International Union of Railways allowed you to discover all aspects of the human work accomplished by the railways. Next to a central element formed by a raised polyhedron was a piece of railway track. A slatted board where images appeared and disappeared showed how the railway was becoming the instrument of a renewed economy. Traction, operation, and construction were constantly improving, increasing production day by day. For a century, the railways have been forging European unity in the field of transport. Vertical panels supported by tubular constructions show you how the chemin de fer helped to develop human relations, its social action in favor of the population and its staff. Wouldn't you like to take a trip, even a fictional one, on an international train? Enter the giant model of an electric locomotive. A cinemascope screen allowed you to see landscapes actually filmed on the front of locomotives traveling at high speed.